Hello friends, today we will study about balancing a chemical equation. A reaction is said to be balanced when the number of atoms on the right side of the arrow are equal to the number of atoms on the left side of the arrow. Both should be equal. Then the reaction is said to be balanced. For this we have to count each and every atom present in the reaction on the left side of the arrow and the right side of the arrow. First of all, let's take hydrogen. Hydrogen atoms are 1, 2. Two hydrogen atoms are here on the left hand side. Now count on the right hand side. H2 means 2 atoms of hydrogen are here also, so H is balanced. Now chlorine. One chlorine is here, only one chlorine is here, so chlorine is also balanced. Now count Na. One Na is here, one Na is here, so Na is also balanced. Now count oxygen. Only one oxygen atom is here. Now here only one oxygen atom is present, so oxygen is also balanced. So we can see the number of atoms on the left hand side of the reaction is equal to the number of atoms on the right side of the reaction. So this reaction or equation is said to be a balanced reaction. Let's take another example. Magnesium plus oxygen giving magnesium oxide. Here count the number of magnesium. How many magnesium atoms are here? 1. On the right hand side only one atom is here, so magnesium is balanced. Now count oxygen. 2 atoms of oxygen is here. Now here only one oxygen is there. So now to balance the oxygen we have to write 2 in front of this compound. So now multiply this MgO by 2. So whole compound is multiplied by 2. Now 2 into O becomes 2O. Here also we can see O2. So oxygen has become 2 on both the sides. So now oxygen is balanced. But again count magnesium. We can see 2 atoms of magnesium are here. But on the left hand side only one magnesium is here. So write 2 in front of the magnesium on the left hand side. Now magnesium is also become 2. So now we can say that reaction is balanced. Now take another example, H2 plus O2 giving H2O. Now count the number of atoms on the left side of the arrow. First of all, hydrogen. How many hydrogen are here? 2. On the right side we can see 2 hydrogen are here. So hydrogen is balanced on both the sides. Now count oxygen. 2 are here on the left side. Here only single atom of oxygen is there. So now to make it 2, we can't write 2 here on the base of O. This will be wrong. We have to write 2 in front of this water. So now oxygen become 2. 2 into O, 2O. Here also 2O. So now oxygen becomes 2 on the left side also and right side also. So oxygen is balanced. But now hydrogen has become 4. We have to multiply the number given at the base of hydrogen with the number given in front of the hydrogen. So 2 into 2 will become 4. So now 4 hydrogen are here on the right side. So 4 hydrogen should be on the left side also. So here we can see only 2 hydrogen are here. We will write 2 here. Multiply 2 by 2. 2 into 4. 2 into 2, 4. So now 4 hydrogen are here also. So now we can say this hydrogen has become 4 on the left side and on the right side. So now reaction is balanced. If you like this simple and easiest way to balance a reaction, then do like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification of more videos.